10.2. The multiplication of algebraic expression. The most important thing is to learn is the product of two factors with like sign, two factors with the same sign is positive, and the product of two factors with the different sign will be negative. Plus and plus, there are two terms, one term is having plus sign, another one term is having plus sign. The product we will get will receive a plus sign, whereas one term having minus sign, another term having minus sign, the answer we will get will have a positive sign. One term having plus sign, another term having minus sign, the answer we will get will have a negative sign. In the same way, a term having negative sign, another term having plus sign, the product will receive a negative sign. Okay. If x is a variable and mn are positive integer, in case of product, the powers will be added like the way we were doing in exponent and power. Look at this first question. Isme bhi same. I will write all the coefficient together in one bracket. The sign in between will be a multiply sign. Minus 3 by 2 into writing the exponents, writing the literals or the variables in another bracket like x square into xy into yz into xyz. 2 deducted, 3 deducted. Minus will be a plus sign. Okay, and here 1 into 5 will be 5. 2 into 7 will be 14. Plus 5 by 14. Writing all the variables one at a time. X, Y, Z. तीन ही तो वेरिएबल है टोटल मिला के. X. अब x के ऊपर पावर्स देखेंगे. 2 ऑलरेडी हैविंग अ 2 पावर. इसके ऊपर कोई पावर नहीं, इसके ऊपर 1 मान लेंगे, इसके ऊपर 1 मान लेंगे. I taught you in exponent and power. The power will be added with the same base. 2 plus 1 plus 1, 4. X की power 4. Y plus 1 plus 1 और y की itself power 1 है. 1 1 1 will be 3. Z 1 and 1 will be 2. So the answer is 5 by 14. X की power 4. Y is to the power 3 and z is to the power 4. Here find the area of the rectangle with the following pair of the monomials as their length and breadth. We simply will multiply length into breadth. Length into breadth 5 into 7. ब्रैकेट में भी लिखेंगे तो 5 into 7. X 1 power 2. Y 1 and 2 3. 7 5s are 35. X square y cube. Look at this third question. Find the volume of the rectangular box with the following length, breadth and height respectively. Volume कैसे लिखेंगे? 5 into 3 into 7. Length into breadth into height. A, B were given. A. The total number of A's are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Of B's are 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer will be 5 3s are 15, 15 A7, B4. This is your answer. Okay. Now students, look at this question number 4. Here you will have to multiply these two given expressions or terms. You can say here you will multiply this expression with this term. Okay. You will simply multiply this term, second term, with the each term of the given expression. Firstly with 4x square, then minus 10x plus 7y square minus 8x plus 4y plus 3. Here I multiplied this term 3xy with each terms of the given expression. पहले इससे, then this one, these two have been multiplied, then these two has been multiplied, then these two has been multiplied, and then finally with this. Now we will solve these expressions together and get a solution of each of these. Now look at here, 4 into 3 12, x square plus 1 more x cube हो जाएगा, it will be x cube and y. 10 into 3 30, x square y square. 7 into 3 are 21, x and y cube. 8 3s are 24, x square y. In the same way you will come to a solution. अब बच्चे अगर इसमें कोई भी टर्म के जो वेरिएबल कॉमन है, those if the variables are common and having a plus or negative sign, we will solve those two also. Otherwise this will be the solution. Let's look at this question number 5. Simplify the following expression and evaluate them as directed. Here what you supposed to do, you will get an expression. Okay, here it is x square 3 minus 2x plus x square. You will, what you supposed to do, you will just put the value, solve this expression first and then put the value of x. X is equals to 1. Here you will multiply it inside the bracket, x square, it will be 3x square, it will be minus 2x cube, and it will convert into x4. Now you get a single expression. Okay, whenever you are going to get a single expression, then you start putting the value of x, which is here it is given x is equals to 1. Now you will place 1 at all the places where it is 1, where it is x, sorry, and you will get a answer. Okay, again you will place the value of x is equals to minus 1, you will get an answer, then 2 by 3, then minus 1 by 2. Let me show you by solving this question. Now look at this question, the second part of the same question. Here I will simplify this expression first. I simply multiplied the term which was outside the bracket in bracket, simply like this. I multiplied the coefficients simply, and the numbers having the same base, the power is added, like we already studied in rational in exponent and power. Okay, powers are x 2x, and here only y was 1. Here x was 1, so x is here only one time is given, and here y are 2 times, so here I gave the power 2. Okay, like this way we will solve this expression. In this step, wherever I am having x, I will put 2, and wherever I am having a y, I will put minus 1. In this question you can use two methods, either by putting the values of x and y directly, or another method is try to take the common variable, taking the common terms together. Those terms having the same variable will come together and coefficient will be added or subtracted. Like in the above equation 15x square, here it was minus 3x square, here it was 20xy square, here I was also having 3 minus 3xy square. In the same way these two terms are same. Okay, so this can be added or subtracted if whatever the value will be. Okay, 15 plus 3, it will be 18x square y, 20 minus 3, it will be 17xy square, whereas minus 35xy, minus 27y and minus 8 will be the same. Now I got this equation. Now I will, in this step I am going to put the value of x, which is equals to 2, and y is equals to minus 1. 18, I put value like this. In place of x square I put 2 square and y minus 1. X I put 2, y square minus 1 square. 35, 2, x in place of x it is 2, y in place of y it is minus 1, y it is minus 1. Now solving these two, 18 into 4 into minus 1, 34 into minus 1. Here it was minus, but here the minus 1 is having the power 2, it is a square, so it will be converted into 1. remember your exponent and power, you will be able to solve this. Now I get an answer. This equation, it is the easiest one. You will make a new equation which is 3x square minus 2x cube plus x raised to the power 4. Then you will put the value of x 1 in place of x. जहाँ भी x है वहाँ पे 1 लिख देंगे, ठीक है. अगर in the same way and we will solve the equation in the same way, we will solve by putting the value x is equals to minus 1, x is equals to 2 by 3 and x is equals to minus 1 by 2. This question is really very important. I am going to give you in test and exam both. Let's start with the question number 7. Add the following. Here a long expression is given which you have to add. This expression should be added to this. Okay, for this we will अब ऐसे if I try to add these two, it will be difficult for me. In that case, you will multiply the term which is placed outside the bracket will be multiplied to all the term expressions which is inside the bracket. 7 into 8, 56. X into x, x square y. So now it will be converted into 56 x square y. In the same way, 7 into 2, 14, x into 1, x, and whereas y is equals to square. So it will be 14 x y square. 7 into 3, 21 x y. 21 x y. In the same way, you will multiply this. 4 x square, 4 into 3, 12 x, you are not having any other x, so x will be x, whereas x y square is equal into y is equals to y cube. Now it will be 12 x y cube. 7 into 4, 28 minus 28 will, and x square y square. 7 into 4 into 8, 32 x y square. Now this those expression which we are going to get will be added together now and we get an answer. I multiplied the term which was outside in the any of the terms having the same variable will be taken common. X square y, there is no term which is having x square. I am going to write it in a, here I was having a term which was having same variable x y square. 32 and 14 will be added. Beta, now you can arrange this term in term ascending or descending order related to their degree. Like it is having the maximum power, it will be placed first, then this one will be placed first, or this one will be placed first. You can arrange in your own way. Solving each equation, you will arrange them in terms of their degree in descending order. स्टार्टिंग में सबसे ज़्यादा डिग्री, फिर उसके बाद कम होते हुए, ठीक है. लाइक 12xy cube, I placed it in first because 3 is the highest degree in visibility, whereas it is having 4 degree. 4 इसके पास भी है, इसके पास भी है, बट दिखने में 3 नंबर ज़्यादा लग रहा है, इसलिए I placed it in front. Then second one, it is having 2 on each, total degree is 4. Then 2 and y this is having, y is having 1, 3. This is having, this one having 4, this one having 4, this one having 3, this one having 3, and this one is having 2 degree. So here I placed all the numbers in terms of ascending order, सॉरी डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर इन टर्म्स ऑफ डिग्री. सबकी डिग्री कम होती जा रही है और हमेशा पहले x की डिग्री अगर ज़्यादा है और y की डिग्री ज़्यादा है, दो हमारे पास सेम नंबर है, लाइक आई एम हैविंग अ नंबर 12xy क्यूब वेयर एज अनदर नंबर विच इज़ 12x क्यूब y. In that case 12x cube y will come first because first we deal with x then y. Got it? This question number 7, here you are in question number 5, here you are provided with 2 expressions which you will solve. After solution, whatever the answer you will get will be subtracted from this given expression. Now moving to the, like the way we did in all the above questions, 7 xy into x square will be 7x cube. सिंपली मल्टीप्लाई कर लेंगे बाहर वाले टर्म को अंदर टू ईच टर्म्स ऑफ द गिवन एक्सप्रेशन. इजी मल्टीप्लाई किया, सिंपल. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू चेक विच एवर एक्सप्रेशन टर्म्स इज हैविंग द सेम वेरिएबल. These two are having the same variable. I am going to add these two. Minus 14 minus 56 will be. These two are also having the same term. So this will also be solved. Plus 7 minus 8 minus. Now I am going to multiply, solve this expression. This is your equation 2. Now it was given to subtract the solution of these two with from this one. So here I am having equation 2 and here I am having equation 1. Thus equation 1 will be subtracted from equation 2. To use the column method, you can use any of the method of जो सेम टाइप के थे वो लिख लिए. अब मगर ये बच गया. अब यहाँ पे मेरे पास जगह नहीं है. आई एम राइटिंग इट हियर. इसके नीचे कुछ नहीं है, आलमा का 0. इसके ऊपर कुछ नहीं है, आलमा का 0. Subtraction, changing the sign of the lowest expression. Okay, it will be minus 32 x square y. I got this. Now you will arrange this in terms of power. With those which is having the highest power will be placed first, then second, third. Okay, now this will be the solution. So your exercise 10.2 is officially completed.